In this video, I'll show you how to create the background for your favorite college team. Now these are some of the teams that have advanced to the Sweet 16. As you can see here in this Excel spreadsheet, we have a column containing the college team and a column containing the college mascot. Now to get these links for the college mascot, I simply went to Google. So for instance, to get the Houston logo, I typed in Houston logo, found this image, right-clicked it, and selected copy image link, and went back to the Excel spreadsheet and pasted it right here. So we're going to take this information and import it into Power BI. So here I'm in a blank Power BI report, and I would like to import the college information from that Excel spreadsheet into this report. So I'm going to go to Power Query by pressing the Transform Data button. It's going to take us to the Power Query editor. I'm going to go to New Source, click Excel Workbook, select the Teams spreadsheet, select Sheet 1 and press OK. Now I have the information imported into Power Query. Now you can see the first row has my header information. So I'm going to go to the Transform tab and select Use First Rows as Headers. I'm going to rename this, call this College Teams. And press the Home tab, press Close and Apply, and that's going to send that information into our data model. If we go to the data model view, you'll see that table, college teams, inside of here. We'll go back to report view. So the first thing I want to do is change the background. So I'm going to hit Format, Page Background. Let's just give it a different color. Adjust the transparency. Now what I want to do is show the logo or the mascot of each of the college teams. So I'm going to select the slicer and choose Image, the image field from the college teams table. Go to Format, change orientation to horizontal. Now you can see the image doesn't show up. So we want the image to show up. We need to go to the data view, select Image, change the data category to Image URL. Now we should have the image, and we do. I'm going to remove the slicer header. That looks good. Next thing I want to do is create a border around this page. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes. There's a rectangle here. Put that here. Copy it. Put one at the bottom. Create another rectangle. This is for the left side. Copy it. Put one on the right side. Also need a large rectangle. Let me change the fill. I'm going to send this rectangle to the very back. So go to Format, Send to Back. Next thing I want is another slicer. That's selected. Slicer. This is going to be in our center. Select the image field. Change this to horizontal. So when I select a team, you get the mascot in the center of the screen. Turn off the slicer header. What I like to do now is create some measures, but first I need to create a virtual table. So to do that, we go to Enter Data. Rename this to DAX Measures. DAX Measures. Press the load button. And we have a virtual table. So I'm going to select it and click on the New Measure button. So our first measure will show our selected team that we select in our slicer. So I'm creating a variable called selected team, and I'm using the selected value. You can remove this. So I need a card visual. Oops. We get a card visual. Choose our measure. Take the category off. Change the font size. It's 25. So since we selected Kansas in our slicer, it shows Kansas here in our card from our selected measure. So you can select Michigan or North Carolina, Arkansas, Villanova, so forth. So I'm gonna put this right here. The next thing I'm going to that will dynamically change the background color. So I'm going to select the virtual table, select new measure, and these are our background colors. I'm using the switch statement to execute this. Then I'm going to select our rectangle in the middle. Go to Fill, select Conditional Formatting, go to Field Value, DAX Measures, Dynamic Background Color. Press OK. So this is the background color for Gonzaga. We select Houston, we'll get red. Michigan is dark blue. North Carolina is light blue, and so on. Now I got these hex colors from this team color site. So Houston has these hex colors. So I took these hex colors and copied it and put it in my measure. Show you again. Now I need to create another measure for the colors for the borders. So I'm going to select the virtual table, go to New Measure, these are the hex colors for the borders for each team. Then I need to select the border Go to conditional formatting, field value, DAX measure, dynamic border color. Hit OK. Do that for each border. So we're looking at Providence. If we go to Michigan, we have our Michigan background, Gonzaga, Kansas, St. Peter's, Villanova. The last thing I want to do is change this card visual. So I already have it selected. So I'm going to change the background, select field value, DAX measures, dynamic background color, hit OK. Let's change the data label font color to white. So now when we select another team, looks like this. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.